Today is October 30th, and this is Gold Robotics. Okay, we're having some technical difficulties today because the lights went off and power went off, but we're still working on our robots despite that. So we'll start on Reese's bot.
I can. Okay, so my robot is, basically you can't see it because it's all internal and a killer and you really can't see. But basically I had a problem where my conveyor belt, well, I built a conveyor belt and it had worked through some issues, like if the ring was coming in like this, it would not pick it up. So I had to find a way around that. That took a lot of the day, but I finally got it to where wherever it's in there, you can spin it and it will come up, all the way up to the top. So since we got that done, now I gotta start working on getting a way to get this ring onto a base. It's going to be right here. I measured it, I have to move laterally toward the base about 5.5 inches. So I'm just adding a small conveyor belt right here that does that little movement, and then I'm going to have a flap right here to make sure the ring goes right there and just moves forward and drops onto the post. That is our plan for fast scoring and just scoring right here, and that should work. Should have this done. Well, I'm not going to say that. That's just jinxing me. But and we are getting close.
Alright, so you want to switch to the
yeah, let's get my butt out of the way so we can have spotlight.
Bobby's in there. Get this out first. Yeah. So today we have been working on one main thing, but two things. So it's going to be really hard to see today, but we added a layer of polycarbonate above our lips to reduce friction, so whenever we rotate our goal, it won't like lock up and stuff, and it can slide really easy. So, and then we also played around a little bit with the top, but most importantly, we got these locks in. So if you want to show them how the locks work. All right, so we go, and then let me move the base closer. So we drive in, and it locks in, and then lifts up all the way. And so then that way, and then next we'll have a rotator, and those locks are have gears with rubber bands at the bottom so that they can rotate and stuff. So we have the rotator, and then we'll feed a ring through to kind of show, because we're getting really close with this. Bring back down, right? And so if we push it up, we can score. So now that's not consistent at all, this is lucky, but yeah, so we're getting really close. It's almost that time where we can score a whole bunch on here, and then yeah, it's like 100 points if we can score just the stop area, and we're planning on also possibly adding a way to score this. So that's what we got going on today.
Yeah.
So we'll see y'all tomorrow.
Hopefully.
Yeah, or whenever. So all right.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.